It's eating out. Yoshi. Going into the pipe. We're going into the pipe. We're in the pipe.
Oh, we're transporting through the tunnel.
Doesn't even get it. He's never played Mario Kart before. Yes, I do. Good.
Hey, here's that. Oh, this is pretty cool. Wait a minute, is this inside or outside? I'm so confused. This don't look real.
Crazy. This must be a character.
I think we can successfully say that Mario World is probably the best part of all of Universal. It doesn't even look real to be in here, does it? Is it not crazy? Alright, so it's 75 minutes too long to wait for a kiddie ride.
Yeah.
Definitely not.
It's new though.
I guess we'll find out when we get up there.
It is
we'll
new.
Let you know.
It is a new ride though. So
What
how long have we been in line?
Like 40 minutes.
23 minutes.
We've been in line 23 minutes.
No, we haven't.
So we have
30. We might have got on at 11:22.
so we have like 40 minutes left. We're only halfway
So right now,
on our first ride.
right now
This line is 90
wait
minutes.
time is 8.
This line is 90 minutes.
Yeah.
95 minutes.
How do you like staying in these lines?
Songs we play together, feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day. We're driving downtown, full pushed on the pedal. Move to songs we play together, feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day. Downtown, full pushed on the pedal. Move to songs we play together, feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day. Let's go back to the day.
So Easton got chocolate cake pop and a chocolate milk. How is it, bud? 10 out of 10? Huh? What'd you get?
I got a chai latte that is pumpkin and it has ice in it.
Is it good?
Mhm.
Yep. What's in yours? A whole lot of chocolate?
So it doesn't want chocolate.
A whole lot of chocolate. Alright.
Move to songs we play together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day. Sun going down, living the dream. Everything's clear, but the lines are the freeway. Let's do it again, like back in the day. Nothing can stop us from living the feeling. Hey, I just wanna touch your vibe. I just wanna touch your vibe.
I always want like a cha-cha-cha.
Are you excited? Yeah. Are you excited?
No, where's Luigi?
I don't know.
I don't even care about Mario a lot.
Luigi's my favorite one too.
Okay, so
Go ahead.
one of my friends. Hey, hello. Hey, how you doing? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Just got to see Mario and I almost got knocked out because I thought the face was very, very soft, but it turns out it was hard, so it hurt. Well, not a little bit. It hurt a little bit, so.
The time has come for the chorus to arrive. Across the cosmos, the energy of every earth is so bright, channeling the power of the stars, a celestial path is opened. grow using your wizard magic. Race through realms of color and play.
Yep.
Face to face with monsters and weapons. And soar beyond clouds and dragons. Now, celestial clock invites you.
I think it's safe to say that the Epic Universe is the best Universal theme park.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you think? Yeah. This is our third day. We've been here since 10 a.m. It's now 10 p.m. and we are exhausted. But the good news is tomorrow we have a rest day before the travel back home. So we're gonna hang out at the campground and ride bicycles and sleep in. Maybe make a campfire.
Like and subscribe and hit the like button.
No, we're about to leave. We got to ride the dragon ride 3 times. Yeah, 3 times. And then we need a water proof when we ride the dragon. And then the best part is probably the dragon.